Hey, what's up, Rex? My name's Corey. Melissa told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to give you three quick tips on how to get some better rankings on your website. Really bring in a lot more quality traffic as well. So the three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your site pulled up here. Just kind of browsing through it real quick. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content, really being a content driven, adding a lot more content inside there. Plus, you need more content in there so that way you can layer keywords. Keywords, what you're actually trying to be found for. Even all these little images, what they're saved as, it's all Google sees this, and you can actually, instead of doing Rex error, inside of all of these, you can actually do keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. And then also, I like your video here. That's great. I would do some sort of call out right here, nice and big. Money off, coupons, free estimates, things like that. It just kind of helps narrow down that traffic on where to go as well. Anyway, that's your first tip. Increase your word count. Change out your images. Now, if I just go into Google here and type in air conditioning repair St. Petersburg FL, you can do Key Largo. It doesn't really matter. You can do this for any area. Just kind of giving you an example here. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the very top. Google came up with these because these old school ads been kind of very spammy. So they came up with these Google guarantees that block out that spam. A lot of people have been going away with these ads just because of the spammy phone calls, and also people have been putting up ad blockers. So a lot of ads aren't even going through. I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in a minute. But anyway, they do get pretty pricey. Accidentally hit that on the when I did this earlier, and I've seen these anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click, and if people go and click on those, they do get pretty pricey at the end of the day. But anyway, underneath those ads, this is really where you get in this map pack here to get the rankings. Here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We obviously want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking them. Underneath this little map areas, this is where all the organic ranking is going to happen. This is the first page of Google, and really being authoric with all that content. Plus, you need enough content in there so you can layer those keywords. How you're actually being found for as well. And then also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. So for example, if you do a work for a pizza joint and they send you a link, that's really not going to do any good for you versus another air conditioning company or something like that in that nature. But anyway, kind of shown, if I take your URL, stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 14 referring domains, which is pushing back 24 backlinks. Historically, you've had over 246 backlinks on this. Backlinks are going to fall off sometimes just as fast as you get them sometimes. Anyway, so you got 179 keywords you're actually being found for, which is pushing back 134 clicks to your website. This PPC does stand for pay per click, so it does look like you are running ads. I don't know if you're running any like radio, TV, commercials, things like that. I know those get really pricey as well, and seeing your ROIs on those, that could be a game changer. Anyway. It's another topic we can talk about. So come in and see where these 134 clicks are actually coming from. It's going to be inside these keywords, and you got your name for a lot of these. Hang on, AC repair Key Largo. You do have second position there, getting a few clicks from there, but a lot of it's your name. Houston Air. Walk-in freezer, Florida. Name even more. AC repair Key Largo. Third position. So your third position on that, and you're not getting any clicks, so there's something going on. You're missing the clicks on that. Air conditioning companies, Largo, Florida, another 90 clicks, your 43rd position, so you're missing all the traffic. AC Repair Largo FL, 49th position. So there's a lot of keywords you're actually being found for, but you're not ranking for them. Kind of showing you one of your competitors here. This is Florida Keys AC. If I stick them inside of Ahrefs, this says the position, the amount of traffic that they're getting per keyword, and also the amount of traffic for those keywords as well. So kind of give you an example. Florida Keys AC, there's 100 100 clicks every single month. They're getting 39 clicks out of the 100, so they're actually getting a really good ROA on that one keyword because they do have that first position there. So really, we'd want to come down and pick all these keywords that are actually going to bring in that quality work for you, and pump a lot of power so that way you can actually be on that first page and you're actually getting a certain amount of those clicks every month. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and think that I may have a few tricks up my sleeve, feel free to hit me back up. I do like reviews. You can tell me how I did on this video as well, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.